Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to enable double space in Microsoft Word. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be had a Microsoft Word document and you are wondering how to enable double space or how you can make the space. For example, you can see I had a Microsoft Word document and here is some article written. If you decide to make these things in double space, there is a couple of ways to add double space. First of all, for example, I would like to enable or make this paragraph with double space. You can go right click over there. First of all, you choose and then right click over there and then click here paragraph. A screen going to be up here. Here you can choose line spacing. Here's by default or somehow it's multiply. If you decide to make it single or 1.5 or double, you can choose. For in this video purpose, I would like to make this double space, so I'm going to choose here double and then I'm going to click here OK. You're going to see this all this paragraph is now appear double space. So this way you can easily enable double space. Also there is another way to change or set double space. Let me make a Ctrl Z to go back. For example, if you decide to make this paragraph double space, you can choose here this home tab. In this place, just click over there and then you're going to see there is a bunch of options available. Also, whenever you're bringing your mouse cursor, it's going to show you the preview. If you decide to set them, for example, I want to set this, so I'm going to choose here 2.0 and that's going to be appear the double space. Also there is another way to set double space. For example, I choose this article and I want to enable double space. You can click this paragraph. In this down paragraph setting, you're going to see the same screen appear. You can easily choose double space or whatever space you want. You can simply choose that. This is really quite interesting, and let me share it too if you have a new blank document and how you can set them. For example, I am in here and you want to make a double space tired document. For that, first of all, we're going to make here double space and then I'm going to type here something, and if I'm going to type here, you're going to see now this tired document I had set double space. So within this way you can easily set or enable double space in your Microsoft Word document. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.